Okay, BCD is 7/9 of BDC, and the question give you is 36. Okay, so very easy. Okay, 7/9, okay, 7/9 of is times, you should know that by now, of 36. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, 36 divided by 9 is 4. 7 times 4, 28 degrees. Very easy, 28 degrees. Find BAE, this one, okay, this one. So if this is 28, this is 36, can we find this? DBC, angle DBC. I write 80 minus 36 minus 28. You will get 116 because of angle sum of triangle. Okay, I write 80 minus 36 minus 28. So this is 116. Okay, and you're trying to find this. Isn't this external opposite of this? Okay, this and this plus this must add up to this. So very easy how to find this. Okay, isn't it? Angle BAE. This plus this must give you this. This is 116. We know, we found out. So this one is 116 minus 51. Minus 51 will give you 65 degrees. 65 degrees. Okay, next. ABE is, sorry, hold up. AB is or is not an isosceles triangle. Okay? This is 5, 1. ABE. Is it isosceles or not isosceles? This is 5, 1. We found out this is 6, 5. 6, 5. We don't know yet. Maybe this is 5, 1. If this is 5, 1, then there will be isosceles. Oh, so we need to find this one. Okay? So I'm going to write here, but actually you should write here. Okay? I'm going to write here for the screen. Okay? How to find this one? 180 minus 116. Okay, you will get 64 degrees. 64. Okay, so is ABE isosceles 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 1. You don't have any two angles that are the same. So is it isosceles? No, it's not isosceles.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, a proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns and questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam-smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning. Boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE Math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE Math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.